everyone, we are continuing to solve our math 10th grade CBSE board papers, and in continuation with solving for the year 2018, this is set 1 and we have already solved section A and section B in our previous videos. Now let's move to section C. It has 10 questions of 3 marks each. 13th question. In this we have to find the LCM and HCF of 404 and 96, and we need to verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So here we need to find out LCM and HCF of 404 and 96. We can factorize these first. 404, so 202, then again we have 2, 101. 101 is a prime number. Now let's move to 96. Factorize it. So 2, 4 and 8. Then we have 2 again. 24. Then we have 2 again. 12. 2 again. 6. Then we have 2, 3, 3 and 1. So here the factors for 404 is 2 square into 101, and the factors for 96 are 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and into 3. Therefore HCF is the product of common factors, so this is equal to 2 square, so 4. LCM is equal to product of 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 into 101. So this is equal to 32 into 303. This is equal to 9696. We have to show that HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. So we will have 4 into 9696 is equal to 404 into 96. We have 4 6 are 24, 36, 37, 38, 3, 27, 2, 38. And this side also we have 38784. So hence verified. 14th question. In this we have to find the zeros of the polynomial 2x4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1, and the two zeros are given as 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. In this question we have a polynomial 2x4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1, and we are given two roots as 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, and we need to find out all zeros of this polynomial. Two roots are given, so two factors will be x minus 2 minus root 3 and x minus 2 plus root 3. Now let's find out the product of factors. We have x minus 2 minus root 3 into x minus 2 plus root 3. We have x square minus 2x plus root 3x minus 2x plus 4 minus 2 root 3, then minus root 3x plus 2 root 3 minus 3. Here minus 2 root 3 and plus root 2 root 3 gets cancelled, plus root 3x minus root 3x gets cancelled. We are left with x square and minus 4x, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we'll divide this. 2x4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1. Here 2x square This will give me 2x4 minus 8x cube plus 2x square. Now subtracting, I'll change the signs for all. So here this gets cancelled, and minus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x. Now next term would be minus x. So we have minus x cube plus 4x square and minus x. Changing the signs here. This gets cancelled and we get minus x square plus 4x and minus 1. Minus 1 now. Minus x square plus 4x minus 1. They get cancelled. This product of other two factors is 2x square minus x minus 1. Now let's factorize this. So it is a quadratic equation, so I can write down this as 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1. So sum is minus 1 and product is minus 2. And I have split the middle term. Now 2x is common. X minus 1 plus 1 x minus 1. So 2x plus 1 into x minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus half, or it is equal to 1. The zeros of the polynomial 2x4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1 are 2 plus root 3. Then we have 2 minus root 3. Then we found out minus half and 1. 15th question. In this, we are given the coordinates for ABCD, which are the vertices of parallelogram, and we need to find the value of A and B. And also we need to find the lengths of its sides. In this question, we are given a parallelogram ABCD. The coordinates for A are minus 2, 1, and for B are A and 0. C is 4 and B. Then D is 1 and 2. We need to find out A, we need to find out B, the lengths of sides. As diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore we can say that midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now I am going to apply. So midpoint of AC, so I need the coordinates for A and C. So x coordinate for A is minus 2 and x coordinate for C is 4 divided by 2, and y coordinate for A is 1 and y coordinate for C is B by 2 is equal to x coordinate for B is A plus x coordinate of D is 1 divided by 2, and y coordinate for B is 0 and y coordinate for D is 2 divided by 2. So we have 2 by 2 and 1 plus B by 2. This is equal to A plus 1 by 2 and 2 by 2. This is equal to 1. Here this is also equal to 1. Now on comparing, we can compare the x coordinates and y coordinates. So we have a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 and b plus 1 by 2 is also equal to 1. A plus 1 is equal to 2, b plus 1 is also equal to 2, a is equal to 2 minus 1 and b is also equal to 2 minus 1. So a is equal to 1 and b is also equal to 1. Now we need to find out the lengths of sides. We have AB is equal to CD. So distance formula is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So coordinates for A minus 2 and 1, B is A0, so A is 1, so 1 0. Distance of AB is equal to distance of CD is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square. This is equal to square root of 3 square plus 1. This is equal to square root of 10 units. Now lengths of sides BC is equal to AD or DA. Now let me take the coordinates for B, which is 1 and 0, and for C 4 and 1. Let's find out distance of BC is equal to distance of AD is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square. So this also we have square root of 3 square plus 1 square. So this is equal to square root of 10. So units. So answer, what all we had to find out? A is equal to 1, then B is also equal to 1, and lengths of all sides is equal to square root of 10 units. We have a choice in 15th question. So the other question, we are given the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD and we need to find out the area of the quadrilateral. In this question we are given a quadrilateral ABCD and coordinates are minus 5 and 7. Then for B it is minus 4 minus 5, and for C it is minus 1 minus 6, for D 4 and 5. And we have to find the area of ABCD. Let's join any of the two opposite vertices. So I have joined BD. So now I can say area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle CBB. Now let's write down the area of triangle formula. In coordinate geometry is equal half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Therefore, area of triangle ABD, we have half into, I'll substitute the coordinates for A, B and D. So we have x1 as minus 5, then minus 5 minus 5 plus x2 is minus 4, then we have y3 minus y1, so 5 minus 7 plus 4 into y1 minus y2, so 7 and plus 5. This is equal to half into minus 5 into minus 10, that will give me 50, and minus 4 and minus 2, so plus 8, and 4 into 12, so 48. This is equal to half into 106, this is 53. So area of triangle ABD is equal to 53 unit square. Now let's find out the area of another triangle. So area of triangle CDB. Again, substituting into the formula, we have half, and this minus 1 into 5 plus 5 plus 4 into minus 5 plus 6 minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5. This is equal to half, and this is minus 10 here to 1 into 4, so plus 4, and minus 11 into minus 4 will give me plus 44, equal to half into 38, so this is 19. So I can say area of triangle CDB is equal to 19 unit square. Therefore, answer area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, we got 53 and 19, so this is equal to 72 unit square. 16th question, it says a plane left 30 minutes late than its scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination, which is 1500 km away in time, it had to increase its speed by 100 km per hour from the usual speed, and we need to find out the usual speed. Here we have difference in time. First time was greater than the second time by half an hour. Now let its usual speed be, this is 16th question, so x kilometer per hour, and distance we are given as 1500 kilometer. Time is equal to distance by speed. For the first time, distance was 1500 and speed was x. Now for the second time, distance was same, but the speed they had increased by 100 km per hour, so x plus 100, and this is equal to half. So here I can take 1500 common, and I'll take the LCM as x into x plus 100, and here it will be x plus 100 minus x. This is equal to half. X and x gets cancelled, so here I get 1500 and 2 more zeros into 2 is equal to x into x plus 100. Now x square plus 100x minus 30 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros is equal to 0. So I got a quadratic equation. I have to look for two numbers whose sum is plus 100 and product is minus 300,000. Plus 600x minus 500. X minus 300,000 is equal to 0. So x is common, x plus 600, and minus 500 is common, x plus 600 is equal to 0. X minus 500 into x plus 600 is equal to 0. X is equal to either 500 or minus 600. as speed cannot be negative. X is equal to 500. Answer: the usual speed is 500 km/h. Question number 17. In this, we need to prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. We have a square. In this, we have an equilateral triangle on one side. There is another equilateral triangle on the diagonal. In this, let the side of the square be x. So all the sides of the equilateral triangle on the side of the square would be x. So let the side of the square be x centimeter. Therefore, diagonal will be equal to square root of x square plus x square. So this is equal to square root of 2x square, or we can write down as root 2x centimeter. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3/4 side square. Therefore, area of triangle on side of square is equal to root 3/4, and we have side as x into x, so we have root 3/4 x square, and area of triangle on diagonal will be equal to, diagonal we found out as root 2x, so we will have root 3/4 into root 2x whole square. So this is equal to root 3/4 into 2x square. Therefore, we can say area of triangle on side is equal to half of area of triangle on diagonal. Area on side is equal to root 3/4 x square, and this is half of root 3/4 into 2x square. 2 gets cancelled, so it becomes equal. Root 3/4 x square is equal to root 3/4 x square. So hence proved. Here in 17th question, we have a choice. So the OR question for 17th is, if the area of two similar triangles are equal, then we need to prove that they are congruent. Let's one triangle be ABC and other triangle be PQR. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and therefore we can say AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. And we can also write down AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. And as area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of sides square. So this I can write down as AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. And we are given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is 1. Therefore, AB square by PQ square is equal to 1, and BC square by QR square is also equal to 1, and AC square by PR square is also equal to 1. Therefore, AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. Therefore, in triangle ABC and PQR, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS property of congruency. Hence, proved. Question number 18. In this, we have to prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. In this question, we are given a circle and there are two tangents from an external point. This is the center of the circle, and we can draw the perpendiculars to the point of contact, and also we can join. Let this point be PQR. We are given a circle with center O and two tangents PQ and PR from an external point P. Now for construction, join OQ, OR and PO. To prove PQ is equal to PR. Proof in triangle OPQ and OPR, and write down the statements and the reasons for these statements. So statement 1, OQ is equal to OR. Reason would be both are radii of same circle. Then second point, angle OQP is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 degree. PQ and PR are tangents and OQ and OR are lines from center. Third point, OP is equal to OP because that is the common side for both the triangles. Therefore, I can say that triangle OPQ is congruent to triangle OPR because of right angle, hypotenuse and side property of congruency. PQ is equal to PR by CPCT. Therefore, we can say that tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Hence, proved. Number 19. In this, we are given 4 tan theta is equal to 3, and we need to find out the value of 4 sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. We are given 4 tan theta is equal to 3. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, and we know the ratio of tan theta is ratio of perpendicular by base. Therefore, we can say that perpendicular is equal to 3x and base is equal to 4x. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, we need to find out hypotenuse to substitute for other trigonometric ratios. We have hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square is equal to 3x whole square plus 4x whole square. Hypotenuse square is equal to 9x square plus 16x square. Hypotenuse square is equal to 25x square. Therefore, we can say hypotenuse is equal to 5x. Now, we have to find out the value of 4 sine theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by 4 sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. 4 and sine theta we know is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So, perpendicular is 3x and hypotenuse is 5x. Minus cos is base by hypotenuse, 4x by 5x plus 1. Now this whole thing divided by 4 into 3x by 5x plus 4x by 5x minus 1. Now x everywhere gets cancelled. It was the ratio. So we have 12 by 5 minus 4 by 5 plus 1 divided by 12 by 5 plus 4 by 5 minus 1. Here now we are going to take the LCM in the numerator. So that is 5, 12 minus 4 plus 5, and also in the denominator here we have 12 plus 4 minus 5 divided by 5. This and 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. We have 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 minus 4, and here we have 16 minus 5. So this is equal to 13 by 11. That's the answer. In 19th question, another one is if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, we need to find the value of a. We are given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. 2a is an acute angle and we have to find a. So now 2a I can write down as 90 minus twice a is equal to cot a minus 18. Now tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Now on comparing both the sides, we have 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Now 3a is equal to 108. A is equal to 108 by 3. So 3, 3 and 6. So a is equal to 36 degree. That's the answer. 20th question. In this we need to find the area of the shaded region, and we are given that the arcs drawn from the centers ABCD intersect in pairs at midpoints PQRS of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively of a square ABCD of side 12 cm. Here we are given a square AB, C and D, and we have midpoints P, Q, R and S, and we have these arcs, and this is the shaded region. The side of square is given as 12 cm. So this is 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 and this. So ABCD are the centers of the arcs. So area of shaded region will be equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. But this is a square, so all these angles are 90 degrees. So we know all these are quadrants. Now area of a square is side square and area of 4 quadrants. So 4 multiplied by area of 1 quadrant will be 1/4 of pi r square. All the radii are same. Now side is 12, so 12 into 12, 4 and 4 gets cancelled, minus 3.14 into radius is 6 into 6. Here I can take 36 common, so I will get 4 minus 3.14. 36 into 4 minus 3.14 will give me 0.86. So let's multiply this now. So we get 6, 9 and 3096. So this is equal to 30.96 centimeter square. That's the answer. This is some little bit of rough work. 21st question. We have a wooden article which was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder, and we are given the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, we need to find the total surface area of this article. Here we are given a cylinder and 2 hemispherical parts are cut out from this. Height is given as 10 centimeter and radius of the base is given as 3.5 centimeter, and we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area will be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of 2 hemispheres of the same radius. So now curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi r square. Okay, here radius is same, so we are not differentiating between them. Now 2 pi r is common, h plus 2 r. Now let's substitute the values. So we have 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 3.5, and here I have height as 10 plus 2 into 3.5. The 7, 0.5, 2 into 0.5 will give me 1, so I'll get 22, and this would be 10 plus 7, so 22 into 17, this would be 17 to 34 and 37, so 374 centimeter square. That's the answer. There is an OR question in 21st which says a heap of rice is in the form of a cone of base diameter 24 meter and height is 3.5 meter. We need to find the volume of the rice and how much canvas cloth is required to just cover the heap. We are given the heap of rice in the form of cone. Base diameter is 24, so I can say radius is equal to 12 meter and height is equal to 3.5 meter. We have to find the volume of rice, and also we have to find the canvas cloth which would cover the heap. So basically we have to find the curved surface area. So we have to find the volume and we also have to find the curved surface area. For curved surface area we will need the L. So L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. L will be equal to square root of 12 square plus 3.5 square. L will be equal to square root of 144 plus 2.25. L will be equal to square root of 156.25. Therefore, L will be equal to 12.5 meter. Okay, now let's find out the volume first, as it has been asked. So volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi, I can take as 22 by 7 into radius is 12 into 12 into height is 3.5. Then 7 and 0.5, this 4 times. So 22 into 0.5 will give me 11 and 12 fours are 48. 528. So curved surface area will be equal to pi r L. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 12 and L is 12.5. 125 into 22 first, so that will give me 250 and 250. So this 0, 5, 7 and 2. 1 decimal point. So this is little bit of rough work. So 22 into 12.5 will give me 275 into 12 now and divided by 7. This is equal to 12 5s 60 and 84 and 6 is 9, 12, 24, 24 and 9 is 33, 100 by 7. Now let's divide by 7. So 7 4 times 28, 50, 7 7 are 49, 10, 7 1 7, 30, 7 4s are 28 and 20. So again 7 2s are 14, 60 and 7 8s are 56. So let's find out up to 3 decimal places meter square. So answer: volume of rice is 528 meter cube and canvas cloth required to just cover the heap would be 471.428 meter square. 22nd question, the last question of this section. We are given a table showing the salaries of 280 persons and we need to calculate the median salary of the data. We are given a table. I have drawn 3 columns because we are supposed to find out the median, and I will need one more column to find out the cumulative frequency. We are given the salary in thousands. Then we are given number of persons. And I'll find out cumulative frequency here. Class intervals for salary are between 5 to 10,000, then 10 to 15,000, 15 to 20,000, 20 to 25,000, then 25 to 30,000, 30 to 35,000, then 35 to 40,000, 40 to 45,000 and 45 to 50,000. The frequencies are given as 49, 133, then 63, 15, 6, 7, 4, 2, 1. Now let's find out the cumulative frequencies. Less than 10,000 we have 49 people, then less than 15,000 we have 182, then less than 20,000 it is 245, and less than 25,000 we have 260, less than 30,000 we have 266, then less than 35,000 we have 273, and then 277 which is less than 40,000, less than 45,000 is 279, and less than 50,000 there are 280 people. So to find out the median class, we need to find out n by 2, so that will be equal to 280 by 2, that will be equal to 140. 140 would lie in this class interval. So this is the median class, right? So median class, therefore median class is 10 to 15. So my median will lie between 10 to 15. Now we need to find out the median. So let's write down the formula first. So this will be equal to lower limit of the median class plus number of observations by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding median class divided by frequency of median class into height of class. Now let's substitute all the values. So lower limit is 10 plus total number of observations are 280 by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 49, and frequency of that class is 133 into height is 5. Now this is equal to 10 plus this becomes 140 minus 49 divided by 133 into 5 equal to 10 plus 91 into 5 divided by 133. This is equal to 10 plus this goes by 7 and 7 and 7 3 times, then this 7 1 time 19 times. So we have 65 by 19. This is equal to 10 plus 19 3 times 57 and 80. So 4 times, then 2 times. This is equal to 13.42. So answer I can write down as the median salary of the data is 13.42. We have finished section C, and in the next video we are going to do section D. So stay tuned and see you all.